On today's video, we'll be talking about management of asthma. Asthma is a condition in which a person's airway becomes inflamed and swollen, making it difficult for that individual to breathe. So, the reason why we're talking about management of asthma today is because in our previous video, if you have not watched it, please check it out on the link above. In our previous video, we talk about management of convulsion, and we have to strike a balance because the management of convulsion is different from the management of asthma. In case you have someone in your neighborhood, you can actually save a life. You don't have to be a medic to save a life. So, signs and symptoms of asthma. How will you know that this individual is having an asthmatic attack? Symptoms of asthma: we have chest pain, coughing, wheezing, whereby a person is doing like and then they are struggling to breathe. So if you are in that environment or you are privileged to be around, you can help that individual. First thing first is to put the person in a sitting up position. Don't lie them down. In our previous video, we said turn the individual to the side. Don't do that in this case. So put them in a sitting up position. If they are putting on clothing, remove those clothing. Allow their chest wall to expand properly so that they can breathe well, because now they're like so you unbutton their clothes. Ensure privacy first so that they don't sue you. Then you ask the individual if they are with their inhaler. Check their bags. Ask them, where's your bag? Did you bring your inhaler? Where is it? Look for their inhaler and quickly administer it, and the individual will get themselves. Now, in a situation whereby this individual is not with their inhaler, what are you going to do? As long as you have put them up in that semi-false position, that sitting up position, you have removed. If it's a female, remove the bra. If it's a male, unbutton the cloth. Just ensure that there is space for their lungs to expand properly. Call emergency line. In Nigeria, the emergency line is 112. In as much as most times you know how this country is, but then call an emergency line. Ensure you tell them where you are, the environment you are, your name, and so that they can get proper description of the location and come and pick the person up. In a situation whereby you can't really call an emergency line, in Nigeria, chemists are found in 5 steps away from every place. Quickly rush that person to the nearest chemist, pharmacy or hospital for medical intervention. But please and please don't turn that individual to the side. Don't try and go and don't ensure there is crowdiness in that environment. This person needs to breathe. So you can help us to help you. Your health is my concern.
Don't suffocate them.